I'm heading out for another adventure. Let's see what I discover this time. I'm in the ponderosas, and what's really interesting, if you put your nose right in the bark of the tree, it smells like caramel. It's a very cool rock formation right there. I gotta find a way to get to that rock formation. So here I go. This is pretty amazing up here. Wow. Wow. Pretty incredible. And right there, that is the rock I'm trying to find. Right there. It's flying right by that rock formation I want to go to. Looks like I've got a prickly danger zone right here. Ooh. Well, I did find a remnants of a cliff dwelling right here. You see they made their own mortar. Yeah, pretty cool. This is turning out to be quite a hike. Well, I'm definitely in the thicket, and that rock formation's way up here. It's going to take me a lot longer to get there today, so I'm going to have to start up a lot earlier to make it to that rock formation. So I'm heading on back. I'm definitely off trail, so I got to find my way back to the main trail. It's going to probably take me a while, but it sure is beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed all this scenery. All right, I'll be doing this again.